welcome to the Global GCC Summit 2025 organized by Inductus. We have Mr. Deepak Bora sir over here. Give us a brief introduction about yourself and your organization.
I'm Deepak. I work with Data Security Council of India. We focus on cyber security and data privacy related issues. We are an industry body.
So, sir, how do you see the future of GCCs in India?
Well, GCCs are the next big thing. In fact, the term GCCs has been coined 2 or 3 years back. We used to call them MNCs, right? Now the term is changed to GCCs. So GCCs are actually developing and building India. In my perspective, we have got concentration of GCCs in deep south, but we want them to be, placed in tier 2 and tier 3 towns across India, so that the regional economic development and boom can come, and our talent in these regions get, the opportunity to work in these global capacity centers.
So, sir, how do you see the industry academia collaboration in contributing the GCCs of India?
So basically, industry tells academia what should be, how the education system should come up and how we should train our youngsters so that they become possible employees tomorrow for GCCs. Because considering the rapid technology development that we are having, it is right time and it is the call of the hour that we should have our youngsters to be groomed in basic AI skills from the very early of their schooling education. And I do believe that the government of India is on right track to have the basic AI learning in the school education system, so that the school students, when they come out, they have clear cut idea in their mind what career they should choose, and tomorrow every career career opportunity that they choose would be somewhere or the other contributing to the GCC success, because ultimately GCCs will be giving them employment.
So, sir, talking about AI, how do you see AI shaping the future of India?
As I mentioned earlier, that AI has to go hand in hand. We should not be afraid from AI. It is duty of, in fact, every state government, in fact every stakeholder, that we should encourage our youngsters to learn about AI. We should teach them good effects of AI. Sadly, youngsters pick up wrong aspects of AI very early. We should teach them that how AI can be a problem solver for them, right? And if we are able to inculcate that particular idea in their mind, I do see that AI and education will go hand in hand, and it will produce excellent results for Indian academic system.
So, in which tier 2 cities do you see that GCC will expand in the future?
So I believe that towns like Lucknow, considering the recent development of Ram Mandir region in the area, we already have towns in down south, like in Hyderabad. Vizag is an area. We have towns in Gujarat like Surat and Rajkot, where potential development is happening. In Maharashtra, a lot of towns are there, but I would like to see GCCs actually coming up in towns in Bihar, in Odisha, right, and maybe in Northeast also. We should not leave Northeast region from this important aspect. In fact, what often happens is that Northeast is being sidelined, and we focus only on the main region of India. So I expect that these should be areas where GCCs should now look forward to set up their campuses rather than going in top metro cities of India.
So, sir, how was your overall experience at this summit organized by Inductus?
Yeah, it was a very good learning for me, and thank you for the opportunity by the Inductus Group, and I wish you all the best. And conferences like this actually gives a clear message to the community that GCCs are here to stay, and we should actually work towards in attracting more GCCs to India and to produce talent that can work in GCCs. Because if we have good talent, then I believe GCCs are not going anywhere; they will come to India only.
My last question: what one message would you give to your younger self?
My younger self, if had I got AI skills when I was a student, I probably could have done, or I could have actually, maybe taken out a patent by this age. So this is what I would, give a message to youngsters, that make use of AI and create something new, create something positive that can impact the ecosystem and society.
Thank you so much for your valuable words, sir. I hope you have a great day.